So, update. Quick update. Had another go today. Well, I've been cleaning my other bike this afternoon and having a go with the old ultrasonic. Got the bowls done to a reasonable degree. They're pretty good inside. This is just with a, I should take that out, just cleaned that off, although I'm replacing these so it doesn't really matter. That one, and with a bit of polishing that would be nice. This one I've had a bit of a go at, try and polish it up, but still a bit, you know, inside. So what I'm thinking is, what else have I done? Let's have a look. Just a sec. I put this in. I don't know if you can see that bit of rust still there. That wouldn't take much getting off anyway. That cleaned up reasonably well. This is with basically water and vinegar, white vinegar. So a cheap way of doing it. Not perfect, so I'm going to move on. Put that in. Put this in as well. That cleaned up, you can't see inside, but it cleaned it up pretty well. That's the rear master cylinder. Did the spline bit, put that in. Rubber survived okay, we'll see. So did that. Just a sec, what else was it? These bolts which mount the master cylinder were rusty, they're not anymore, so it did a job on them, and they took about 10-15 minutes in there for that.